What's going on, everyone? I hope everyone's having a good day with their cargo trailer conversions. And I thought I'd just do a quick little video showing you guys how to do some plumbing in your cargo trailer. It wasn't that expensive, but it just took me forever to do because I had no idea what I was doing. So this was the design that I figured would be the easiest for me, especially since I'm boondocking a lot of the time and I just want access to water in a creek or something. So, but then I also wanted, a hot shower, and then I wanted a sink to put water, a powered sink. So this is my little pump that I got going on, and then I have it going into a 5-gallon bucket. So the SureFlow pump, it's pretty basic. It's just a 12-volt pump, and I turn it on through this little switch, and everything's on right now. So, and then I just have a hose going up into the pump, and then I bought some of these hoses. This hose goes into the instant hot water heater, which heats the hot water. And then this is where it got really interesting. So I wanted to have this feed my sink and the shower. So what I did was I kind of teed it off right here, and I had it go over here to the shower, and then I have a quick disconnect, so it blocks the water from going into the shower, because if this is on, it would just go constantly to the shower. But so this blocks it. I'll move the trash can real quick, give you guys an example. So if I just flip this valve, that little clicking is with the propane being starting up. But it's really cool, really convenient when you're taking a shower. If you want to turn off the shower, or if you just want a little bit less pressure, you just turn the valve. So then what I did was, to get to the sink, I just ran it through back behind the box. And then there's a little space between the shower. So this is all a little open back here underneath. So what I did was I just drilled in, and then I ran the tubing all the way to the sink right here. So, and then I got power doing that. So it's pretty cool. And I'll show you underneath what it looks like. So I only have one temperature going to the sink. So if the propane heater's not on, I'm not getting hot water. But if it is on, then I can have hot water coming through the faucet. So what I did was I ran this cable, and then I put a quick disconnect right here so I can turn it on and off, and then I just hooked up the sink faucets, the lines to the sink. And then, since I'm only running one line, I just put a quick disconnect on here too, because if you turn the faucet handle to the hot, the water will actually start coming out of here as well. Since I'm only hooked up to the cold water line, there's only one water line coming up. And then for the drainage out of the sink, I just went to Ace Hardware, and I just attached this to the bottom of the sink. And right now I just have it going outside the trailer, but eventually I have a gray water tank to collect the water for the shower and the sink. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll go ahead and put some of the supplies that I used in the I'll link some Amazon links of the things that I used to hook up my shower. As far as doing the plumbing itself, it was probably about $100 total. This thing was about 110. The pump was about 75, I believe. And the expensive things were the sink. I mean, the faucet itself was about 120. The sink was about 120. So to get this whole setup going, it was about, I don't know, close to $400 or something like that. So really nice when you're traveling and stuff. For the last 3 years, I have not had a sink in the trailer. Let me tell you, it makes all the difference. The other thing that we just added was an AC unit. Right now it is in the middle of being installed, so I'll be coming out with a video about how I installed this mini split AC unit inside my cargo trailer. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.